Hey, what's happening? My name is Paul Farmer. In this video, I'm going to be doing a Power Lead System update. I'm going to be talking about the new and exciting all-in product that pays you unlimited $1,500 commissions. If you don't know, I've been a member of Power Lead System for about 10 years. And it was in 2017 when I actually took it seriously, when I decided to go all in and really make it happen. And by doing so, like, it created a shift in me. And long story short, I was able to become one of the top producers, income producers in Power Lead System to this day. And the truth of the matter is, since 2018, I really haven't done a whole lot of anything with this program. What's brought me back, what's got me excited is this brand new all-in product, but that's not it. What I'm really excited about is the fact that we have closers. Right now, we have the owner closing the deals for us, but we also have business coaches that will be closing the sales for us. So you make $1,500 commissions, and all you have to do is share your sales page. Get people to your sales page that's done for you, that's constantly being updated to make it better, to convert better, and someone else is going to handle all the heavy lifting uh, that there is. The follow up, the closing, all that is taken care of either through AI or by the company owner. Now, um, the reason I came back to this and the reason I got excited, like I said, it wasn't about the AI. I've mentioned this before. Yeah, the AI is great. You could actually check it out right on this sales page. So if you go to the link right below this video, you're going to see a page that looks just like this. Fill in your details, and then you're going to have a page that pops up like this. Scroll down here, click this button, and you're going to be able to interact with David, who's the AI agent for Power Lead System, who follows up, who closes your deals. So I highly encourage doing that. Ask all the questions you have. Uh, you're going to have them answered right there in real time. So it's really cool. And just imagine your prospects going through the same process. Now we have live fast start training, which we didn't have back in the day when I was doing this. In fact, when I was doing this back in 2017, 2018, we didn't have anything done for you. We didn't have a product where you can go straight in and buy all the products all at once and be positioned to earn $1,500 commissions. That did not exist. In 2017, we had three products. We had the gold membership, which paid $20 residual plus 50% matching bonuses. We had the diamond, which paid $100 commissions. And we had the platinum that paid $400 commissions. And I still remember when I decided to purchase the platinum product, now I was all in because I had all the products before, but I wasn't motivated before. It wasn't until I got that platinum product that I really got motivated. And within a couple weeks, I was at 2,000 plus in a week in commissions because I made that decision. I had that mindset shift happen. But I'm really excited about this, and that's why I'm making videos about it. That's why I'm sharing it because I really do believe it's something that people could really benefit from. I don't want to bash making lower commissions, but I can just tell you from experience, it's way more challenging to bring large numbers of people in so those small commissions can really add up to something. Now, Power Lead System does have residual income. There's two different streams of residual income built into this system. But with the all-in product, you're straight up going to be making $1,500 commissions unlimited over and over again. So whether you are a marketer like me who doesn't mind going and making videos and sharing this with other people, or you're someone that just doesn't want to do anything, we have you covered because Power Lead System has co-ops, national co-ops that these are advertising co-ops where you purchase a position, and what they're going to do is they're going to advertise your link in a rotator so many times. So as you can see, if I scroll down here, we have different ones. So you have anywhere from one share, that's $100, to 1,000 shares, which gets you 10, 10 shares. Okay, so you kind of choose. The spots are limited, because they want to make sure these impact, these get sales, that kind of thing. Uh, the first one sold out, obviously. The next one is coming up here, but that's an option. And this is going to be completely hands off. Like you don't have to do a thing. Now, what I believe and what's always worked for me when it comes to marketing, when it comes to making sales, is you have a 1-2 punch. You do organic marketing like I'm doing now, where I'm making videos and I'm talking about what I'm excited about. As I go, I'll share proof, progress, and results. This works amazingly. It's what I did back in 2017. And then you do paid advertising. Now, a lot of times it's kind of difficult to find or challenging to find good paid advertising. A lot of the celeb providers out there are just giving you bot traffic. It's not great. You're kind of throwing your money down the drain. So it's not really the easiest thing to find quality traffic. What they're doing here is they put this co-op together. They're working with an advertising agency that's creating ads, and these are national ads. So this is only for the United States. These ads are going out to the United States. Typically, people in the United States tend to have a little bit more money to spend than other countries that may not have that. And they showed one of the ads yesterday. Every week we have a live fast start training that walks you through exactly how to get set up and get started really fast. They showed the new sales page because they're always tweaking this, always making this better. I was hoping it was going to be up today, but I don't think they're ready to have that come up yet. So it will be coming up soon, and we'll have a brand new sales page. Uh, which, I think it's awesome that they're constantly tweaking and making this better. These are expert marketers. These are marketers that have made a lot of money in marketing that are doing all this. You don't have to do that. So, like, if the one thing that I've always, I don't want to say it's challenging to explain this, but because there's so many coaches out there, or so-called coaches, there's so many marketers out there, and what they do is they will twist you up, right? They'll make you think you need to know this and this and this and all this stuff and make it so complicated so you keep coming back and buying more and more because you're like, oh, I need to learn this, I need to learn this. No, you don't. You know what you need to learn how to do? Like, well, with this, nothing. Literally, you have a co-op, you just buy your shares, you're done, you know? But let's say you wanted to take the next step and you wanted to market. You know what you need to know how to do? All you need to know how to do is get this page in front of people. That's it. Get this page in front of people that are looking to make extra money and allow it to do the work for you. That's all you have to do. There's nothing else. So you don't have to go set stuff up. You don't have to, write blogs and all this extra stuff. If you want to do video, do video. I mean, I encourage that. I've made a lot of sales doing video over the years. Video is very, very powerful. But if you don't want to, you don't want to, That's why we have the advertising co-op for people that don't want to do that stuff. But what I can tell you, though, is the people that are going to be making the most money are going to be doing the 1-2 punch. They're going to be doing the organic marketing. They're going to be sharing this with people, and they're going to be doing the paid advertising. That's what they're going to be doing. The other people that, will go a little slower, possibly will be in the co-op, possibly they'll get some sales. It may, we just don't know. You're paying for clicks, you're not paying for sales here. Uh, but you have professionals that are putting together advertising campaigns. They're tweaking, they're making it better. In fact, the guy in charge of the advertising campaign, he had a whole product. That was the product, the platinum product back in the day. It was all about advertising on Facebook. It was all about that. Uh, so we're advertising on social media with these co-ops, but it's just really cool because now it's all hands free. I mean, it's done for you. Like you don't need any skills. If you want to develop skills, you have the options to do that. I would recommend organic and paid. Before I go though, I just want to show one thing. Click on this button here. Okay, click on this button here. You're gonna come down here. You get a 7-day free trial. Try it out. Or highly encouraged, just go all in. Just go all in. Get the product, get positioned to make the most, get all the value that Power Lead System has to offer, position yourself to earn $1,500 commissions, and go. One of the things I look at when I'm looking at an opportunity is how quickly can I be in profit? And when I'm in profit, is it going to matter, right? Is it going to matter? There's all kinds of products out there that pay you like $20 commissions, but if you get in profit off a $20 commission, whoopie do, you're making like what, $40 maybe? Like it's not a big deal, right? That's not life changing. Now, 1500 may not be life changing, but it adds up, right? Like what if you do two sales a week or something like that or more, which is very possible if you're working your business. It's very possible. And not to mention all the other income streams that are built into Power Lead System. You have $20 commissions with 50% match. That means when you bring people into your business and they go to work, let's say you got Johnny making $1,000, you're getting 50% of that. So you're getting 500 of that. And this is residual income. You got $100 commissions. You got $90 residual commissions. I think it's $90 residual commissions. I can't remember. There's $400 residual, not 400 one-time commissions, $1,000 one-time commissions. And you're getting this all in this package. Okay, it's all in this package. So that's really phenomenal. Um, I brought this page up for a reason. The reason is I want to show you how this works. So a person comes to the sales page, they're checking it out, they can interact with the AI, they can ask it questions, they go to the all-in offer, they see this page, and they have to click here to enter in their details. When they enter in their details, what's going to happen is one of the business coaches is going to call them back. Now, what they announced yesterday on the fast start training was the gold members are going to be offered a business plan, a call to be scheduled with one of the business coaches. And they're going to set them up on a business plan and they're going to walk them through the different products that are available and they're going to encourage them to be positioned the best. So, like, even from the standpoint of them coming in at the lowest level, we're still going to guide them to position them into a place where they can make significant income. So they can change their lives. Like I've worked with people for so long. I mean, I'm going on 13 years now. I've been marketing online. And I've worked with so many people over the years that love this is the biggest mistake I see people make. They love to get started at the lowest, tiniest level. So when they do go and do the work required, when they get a sale, it's like, well, this won't even buy me gas. And it's just not motivating. It's just not exciting. So, I'm going to say yes, 1997, that could be a stretch, but I'm telling you, bet on yourself for one thing. Understand that this system is designed to make you sales with you doing limited work. Like I said, you could focus on just doing organic, or you could use the system as it is and go through the co-op and all that. But the beautiful thing is you don't have to set stuff up. Your only focus is get people to this sales page. It's your only focus. You get people to this page, let the page do the work for you. Let the page do the heavy lifting for you. That's something I learned early on is you get out of the way and you allow your tool to do the work for you. So you're just asking people, hey, if I could show you how you can make $1,500 commissions, and it's done for you, like we have closers, whatever, is that something that would interest you? Is that something you would be open to? And I botched that. I wouldn't really say it that way, but that creates enough curiosity. Typically, people want something that's simple. Typically, people want something that pays them good money. They don't really want to waste time making little small commissions. They really don't. Um, so you'll get some people that say yes. Uh, but what I really like I said, is you got the AI and you got the human touch here. So you got both here working for you. So there's very minimal uh, heavy lifting on your part. Like I've been in high ticket programs where I had to do it all. Like I had to go out and I had to find the people and then I had to follow up with them and I had to close them. And if you're good at that, great, do it. But you have the option here to have someone else do it for you, which is awesome. You have the option here to have AI do it for you, and you make $1,500 commissions. Okay, so that's what I got. Go ahead and go to the link right below this video. Subscribe to this video, like this video. Feel free to comment if you have any questions. Let me know. And with that, I'll see you on the next one.